Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on the application of Microsoft Teams. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above here we search about Microsoft Teams and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention. And thank you for your